I'm Suzanne from Sicard RV. Today we're going to go over some exterior and interior options for our 2021 Jay Feather X19H. Some of our exterior features are the power ton jack, side view camera prepped, a nice large awning with LED lights and exterior speakers. Some of the interior options are this really nice dinette that does turn into a bed, our teddy bear mattress, USB charging station for your phone, your computer, your electronics, and we also have this jackknife sofa. In the middle of this unit, you'll see that it has a TV, a furnace, and a roof AC. Kitchen area, you'll see a double sink, a cutting board, a drain board, all matching appliances for 2021, your microwave, your vent, and your 3-burner cooktop. Rear of the unit, you'll have another area that will sleep 2, another USB charging station, and also some storage. In the 3-piece bath, you'll find a toilet, a storage shelf, a nice big shower, and vanity. Thank you for watching our tour. For more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.